So this is my this is the final app. Well, not the final app, but this is what I use. And there's some changes that I've made, and there's going to be more changes. As I go through this and keep using this, and I keep thinking of better ways to improve this. And so far, what I have changed basically using AI is the creation mode. And this right here allows you to choose what you want to do. You can do text, an image, a video. It's up to you. But the scenario I'm going to use today is being that I need rental agreements done for houses. Um, I need to create a rental agreement. And being that I have dyslexia and not being able to, you know, have my vocabulary very limited to very basic words. So I'm going to show you how simple this is. It can be just a couple seconds compared to a couple hours. So in the row, so the analogy is, I'm writing a contract, a rental agreement contract. It's a monthly rental agreement for 10K. It's the first and last deposit, move-in date, property address, landlord name, all the details on what a rental agreement is needed. So as I go through the process here and showing you the steps, the very simple steps, it's you'll see how easy it is to create a prompt. Me having dyslexia and having problems with trying to find wording, trying to understand. The more that I repeat saying this over and over, I'm starting to actually understand how to create prompts. The role. What is a role here? The role is what you want AI to do, to become, to act as, to be an actor. So basically, you're going to say, hey, I want you to be an expert. Let me put over here, expert in legal documents. Or I could just say lawyer or whatever. Or I can come over here and choose an option and say mentor, a strategist, or a subject matter, whatever matter it is, it's an expert. So there's all these different words that are not in my vocabulary, but it's in this vocabulary because I put it there, and it makes me envision what what words I'm looking for. So it's kind of like turning the light on for me. I have the option to choose one of these, and as you see, I selected mentor, but I'm not looking for a mentor right now. So as I move down and go through the process here, you'll see how here in real time the prompt is being created. And I kind of cheated, but you know what? It's just what I did. I created another another entry, had everything already filled in, and still the same concept is I need a document for a rental agreement. The role is an expert. It's in legal documents. The context is month-to-month rental agreement, right? Or I can come over here and choose from the prompt. It's up to you. But the little bit more information you put in here, just it will make it extremely easier for AI to create what you're looking for. But the main goal over here in this learning app is to learn how to use the concept behind it. I'm a visual learner. I can watch videos all day long or read things all day long, and I still won't get what I want. So here in the task basically is the information that is needed to write this document. It gives you the monthly rental, the deposit, the last, the address. I put the underground just to, keep it simple. And then the name of the renter and all the detailed information that is needed to be put into this contract. The rules, you want it to be the rules is something that it needs to follow, that it doesn't go outside the guidelines. You want it to be, professional, concise, and lucid. You don't want something where it's childish and it's giving these analogies of a child, and you want to keep it professional. And so, as for the format, you want a full document. You know, you don't want just a half a document. Meaning just a very light version of a rental agreement that doesn't include very much. It's a very simple sign here and thank you for renting, give me my money, and you're out the door. So, but with this app, so as you can see, the role, everything is created for this prompt. There's nothing you need to do except say copy prompt. All right, say okay. Come over here. I'm going to choose ChatGPT. You can use whatever AI you're using. I know that I've tried all of these. Why? Because I wanted to see which one was the easiest. But to be honest, it's how you create this prompt right here is how easy any of these AIs can be. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, and as it populates, it's going to do its thing. And I sit here and paste what I had from here, paste it to here into ChatGPT. As you can see, here's the role, here's the context, here's all the details that is needed to create this agreement. So as I say, do the run or go button, we'll sit here and watch this thing fill. So below is a lucid, concise, and professional month-to-month rental agreement. You can read this on the screen, but look at this. It does it for you. You don't have to do anything but just print this out or fill in the information that is needed, print it out, and hand it to the renter. And you're done. The terms, the rental agreement, it's monthly, 10K, security deposit, the last month's rent, the utilities and services, the renter shall be responsible for payments. Look at this. It does it all for you. And the maintenance determinant. Did I include any of these details? No, but it's just the way you word it. And when you word it properly, this is what the outcome is. So with that being said, I leave this with you. If you made it this far, comment, like, uh, email me, text me, however you feel like it to improve this. But in the end, do your own research on anything that you use AI for. Don't believe everything because there could be some mistakes. A little bit of wording could be wrong. But, and with that being said, I know I'm starting to ramble on, but I want to share this with you, with anybody. It's free. It's for the underdogs. It's for the people who need just a little bit more of a push. So again, make a comment. I appreciate it. Thank you.